Good evening, everyone. Can you hear me? My voice? Respond. Okay. Respond, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Good evening. So, okay. What we discussed previously? Is it visible? My screen? Tell me anyone. Okay. What we discussed previously? Keywords, right? How many types? How many types total keywords? Total 35 keywords are there. Okay, na in Python. Keywords are the words. Those are reserved words. Okay, na. And also discussed already identifier also. Identifier is a naming technology. That is the identifiers, and also we discussed the rules also. Case sensitive, and we cannot start with digits, and also we cannot start with special symbols, and can we start with underscore and alphabets, uppercase and lowercase letters. Okay. After discuss statements also we discussed it, right? Single line statements and multi line statements. Single line statements is a source of code, execution of these called as a statements. Multi line statements is a block of statements, is nothing but a multi-line statements. And we discuss comments also. We discussed what is the comments. Comments is not executing. In two types of comments are there. Am I audible? Please respond. Hello. Okay, 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 thank you. Okay, next comments also discussed in single line comments and multi-line comments are discussed. Single line comments how to denote by using hash. We do not single line comments. Multi-line comments how to denote by using single quotes or double quotes. We do not multi-line comments. And after today topic is scope, name of namespace. Okay, here check it. Here one planet is there and one school is there. Inside school there is 10 classes are there. Okay, now above ఉండేది ప్లాంట్ అమ్మా. ప్లానెట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి. ప్లానెట్ ఇన్సైడ్ స్కూల్. ఓకేనా. ఇన్సైడ్ స్కూల్ లోపల ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్, సెకండ్ క్లాస్, థర్డ్ క్లాస్, ఫోర్త్ క్లాస్, ఫిఫ్త్ క్లాస్, సిక్స్త్ క్లాస్ అండ్ సెవెంత్ క్లాస్, ఎయిత్ క్లాస్ అండ్ 10th అండ్ 9th ఆల్సో దేర్. ఓకేనా. 10th లోపల 9th క్లాస్ ఉందమ్మా. ఓకేనా. హియర్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఓవరాల్ ప్లానెట్. ఇన్సైడ్ ప్లానెట్ లోపల వన్ స్కూల్ ఉంది. రియల్ టైమ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. నౌ దిస్ ఇస్ ద బిల్ట్ ఇన్ స్పేస్. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఎజ్యూమ్ చేసుకోండి. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ పైనుంచి రెయిన్ పడుతుందని ఎజ్యూమ్ చేసుకోండి. అప్పుడు ప్లానెట్లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి తెలుస్తుంది అండ్ ఆల్సో స్కూల్ లోపల ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి కూడా తెలుస్తుంది కదా. దట్ ఈస్ ద రియాలిటీ. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అబోవ్ నుంచి రెయిన్ పడుతుందని ఎజ్యూమ్ చేసుకుంటే ఇన్సైడ్ ప్లానెట్ లోపల ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి కూడా రెయిన్ పడుతుందని తెలుస్తుంది. స్కూల్ ఇన్సైడ్ ఉన్న క్లాసెస్ వాళ్ళకు కూడా రెయిన్ పడుతుందని తెలుస్తుంది. దట్ ఈస్ ద గ్లోబల్ స్కోప్. అంటే హియర్ if you declare the here means ఇన్సైడ్ ప్లానెట్ వాళ్ళు యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, స్కూల్ లోపల కూడా యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇప్పుడు ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 10th and 9th is there, right? ఓకేనా, here 10th and 9th is combined in one single entity. ఓకేనా, that is the, and also here temple also there. Now check here, sum equal 10, right? Def calculate, and the current sum is equal to 200. Total sum is equal to sum plus current sum. Print total sum, calculate it. Now what is the output here? Means sum is the globally declared, sum equal to 10. Now here inside function I am declaring current sum equal to 200. Okay now, here total sum is equal to sum, globally what we declared, sum 10, 10, right? This 10 plus current sum how much? 200. Means 10 plus 200, total sum is 210. The output is 210. Okay now, understand now? Tell me any doubts, Netaji? What is your doubt? Yeah, okay. Name spaces. Example, this is the real time example. Here one planet is there and school is also there. Okay na, inside school 10 classes అనేవి ఉన్నాయి అండ్ ఆల్సో టెంపుల్ కూడా ఉంది. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ రెయిన్ పడుతుందని ఎజ్యూమ్ చేసుకోండి. రెయిన్ పడుతుందని ఎజ్యూమ్ చేసుకుంటే ప్లానెట్ లోపల ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి రెయిన్ పడుతుందని తెలుస్తుంది, అండ్ ఆల్సో ఇన్సైడ్ స్కూల్ లోపల ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి కూడా రెయిన్ పడుతుందని తెలుస్తుంది, ఇన్సైడ్ టెంపుల్ లోపల ఉన్న వాళ్ళు కూడా రెయిన్ పడుతుందని తెలుస్తుంది. ఎందుకు? వీళ్ళందరూ ఇన్సైడ్ ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి గ్లోబల్గా రెయిన్ పడుతుంది కాబట్టి వీళ్ళందరికీ రెయిన్ పడుతుందని ఎజ్యూమ్ అవుతుంది. అండ్ ఆల్సో ఇక్కడ డిస్కస్ చేసుకున్నట్టయితే ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 9th క్లాస్లో వన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 5 ఒక ఈవెంట్ జరిగింది 9th క్లాస్లో. ఓకేనా, ఇన్సైడ్లో ఒక ఈవెంట్ జరిగింది 9th క్లాస్లోని. ఈ ఈవెంట్ అవుట్ సైడ్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి తెలియదుగా, ప్లానెట్ బయట ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి తెలీదు, అండ్ అవుట్ సైడ్ స్పేస్లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళు తెలీదు, అండ్ 4th క్లాస్ తెలీదు, 7th క్లాస్ తెలీదు, 8th క్లాస్ తెలీదు. అంటే ఇన్సైడ్లో జరుగుతుంది. దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఇన్బిల్ట్ ఇన్సైడ్ గ్లోబల్ స్పేస్ అంటారు, లోకల్ స్పేస్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద గ్లోబల్ స్పేస్. ఒక రియల్ టైమ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఇది రియల్ టైమ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. నార్మల్ కోడింగ్లోకి వెళ్ళేటప్పటికి అర్థమవుతుంది. వెయిట్, కోడింగ్లో చెక్ చేయండి. దిస్ ఇస్ ద గ్లోబల్లీ డిక్లేర్డ్ సమ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 10. ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ సమ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 10. ఓకేనా, హియర్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద గ్లోబల్ డిక్లేర్ చేస్తాం. ఈ 10ని మనం ఎక్కడైనా యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఎనీవేర్ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ దిస్ సమ్. సో ఐఎమ్ డిక్లేరింగ్ గ్లోబల్లీ సమ్ 10. ఓకేనా, నౌ డెఫ్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ current sum 200. I am taking current sum is 200. Okay na, now here sum, what is the sum here? 10. Global sum is 10. And what is the current sum here? 200. What is the total output? 10 plus 200, total sum is 210. Okay na, output is 210 here. Now check next example. Here globally declaring sum equal to 10. Okay na, now current sum equal to 200. Okay na, after sum, what is the sum here? 10. And what is current sum? 200. Print total sum means 210. Okay, now after, if I print current sum ఎక్కడ ఉంది? ఇన్సైడ్ ఫంక్షన్లో ఉంది. ఇన్సైడ్ ఫంక్షన్లోది మనం అవుట్ సైడ్ కాల్ చేసుకోవాలి అంటే ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవ్వదు, ఇట్ వోంట్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్. దట్స్ వై ఇట్ షోయింగ్ అన్ ఎర్రర్ హియర్. చెక్ ఇట్. ఓకేనా, ఇన్సైడ్ బ్లాక్ ఆఫ్ ఫంక్షన్లో కరెంట్ సమ్ ఉంది ఇక్కడ. హియర్ చెక్ చేయండి. current sum is there 200. ఈ 200 ని నేను అవుట్ సైడ్, ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు యూజ్ ది అవుట్ సైడ్ మీన్స్ yeah, that is nothing but a current sum. How to denote current sum here? What is the current sum here? Current sum is 200. Okay now, what is sum here? Sum down. Okay, okay. Yeah, okay. Now tell me what is the output here? Current sum is 200, but it will be showing an error. Because why it's showing an error? Because within a function body, we cannot call outside. Okay now, that's why it's showing an error here. Okay now, Amma, are you getting? Okay, very good. Next, okay. Now tell me what is the output here? Now globally declaring sum equal to 10. I am def. This is the function. Okay. Inside function, I am declaring sum equal to 30 and also current sum equal to 200 and the total sum is equal to sum. What is the sum here? Locally declaring. Local declaring is 30. Global declaring is sum equal to 10. Which sum is taking here? 30 or 10? Because here taking 30. Inside function, there is a sum is 30. Because 30 plus, what is the current sum? 200. Means total 30 plus 200, there is a 230. Total sum is 230 here. Okay. Are you getting? Yeah, okay. After, now check here. Sum equal to, now check this example. Already discussed, this is not discussed. Okay. Sum equal to 10. This is the globally declaring sum equal to 10. And def, def calculate inside the function, there is a sum equal to 30 and after this sum plus 20. What is the sum here? 30. 30 plus 20, there is a 50. 50 is stored in the sum. Okay, now sum is 50. Here now sum is 50. Okay, after the current sum is 200. Okay, sum plus current sum. What is the sum here? 30 plus 20, 50. 50 plus current sum, total 250. Total sum is 250. Okay, up to here. Now if I print the outside means print sum means it will be print global sum. Global sum is 10. That's why it printing 10 here. Output is 10 here. 250 is total sum. Okay, this is the one of the example and another example. This is another example. Now check this example. Now I am globally declaring sum equal to 10 and after there is a def is a keyword and calculate function Here I am declaring global sum. Now sum equal to sum plus 20. Okay, what is the sum here? Sum is a 10. 10 plus 20. 30 is stored in the sum. Okay, 30 is stored in the sum. Now after 30 is stored in the sum. Remember that here not stored in 10. 10 plus 20. 30 is stored in sum here. Okay. Now after current sum equal to 200. Now sum plus current sum. What is the sum here? 30. 30 plus 20. 200. 230. Total sum is 230. Now if you want to print here sum means there is a 30 because here updating 10 plus 20. 30 is stored in globally. Here updating 30. That's why it's showing here 30. Okay. Amma, are you getting any doubts? To please respond. Yeah, okay. If you have any doubts, means please start. Okay, this is the name scope. Now after there is a print input and output program. Now what is the input and what is the output? Now check here. Wait. Okay. Now if you want to take in runtime values, how will you take runtime values? Example number is equal to num is equal to input of enter a value. Okay. Here what it is written? Anyone tell me? String or integer? If I print type of number means what is the output here? Tell me anyone? String or integer? Where is chat box? Which topic, Mama? Explain. Scope, huh? Which topic you want? Program. Total programs, huh? Which program you want? Yeah. Yeah, okay, now check. Here, mm, take now here. Here sum equal to 10. Okay, now I am declaring globally. Globally, I am declaring sum equal to 10. Now here def calculate is a function. Inside function I am writing sum equal to 30. Okay, na, and current sum equal to 200. Okay, now after sum plus current sum. Okay, what is sum here? It taking local variable, not global variable. Already inside function there is a sum is there. That's why it is taking this sum. This sum it is taking 30. Okay, 30 plus what is current sum? 200. 200 plus 30. Total sum is 230. Okay, now this is the one program, example program. And another one program is the this is the another one program. Here sum is I am declaring globally sum equal to 10. Inside function this is the def is the keyword and calculate is the function name. And inside function I am declaring local variable sum equal to 30. Okay, here what is sum here? It is taking local variable. What is local variable? 30. 30 plus 20. What is the output here? Sum is stored is the 50. 30 plus 20. 50 is stored in sum. Now what is current sum? Current sum I am taking 200. Already it is sum is 50. This 50 plus 200. 50 plus 200. Total sum is I am print total sum is 250. Okay now? Now outside function, outside after completion of this is the function call. Okay, after function I am using print sum. This print sum is returns the global. Globally what I am declaring? 10. It is taking the sum equal to 10. Okay, this is the one of the program, example program. Okay, after similar to this program also. Now take it, I am globally taking sum equal to 10, and after def is the keyword, and calculate is the function name. Inside function I am writing global sum. Here I am taking global sum. Before I am taking normal sum. Here I am taking global sum. Global sum means this sum. Okay now, and I am updating sum. What is the sum here? 10. 10 plus 20. What is the total? 10 plus 20, 30. 30 is updating here. Now here 30 is there, not 10. After current sum, what is the current sum here? 200. Okay, 30 plus 200. 30 plus 200, there is a 230. Print total sum means 230 is there. Here if I print means sum means here already updating 10 plus 20, 30. That's why it's showing 30 output. Now okay now? Any doubts? Here now okay. After input and output amount, here where it is. Yeah, okay. Now tell me. Okay. Now what is the output here? Tell me anyone. How to take input from runtime? How to take input from runtime? By using input. By using input, we are taking the runtime values. Example, enter a value, right? Example, print number. Okay now, I am running this program. Okay, here asking value, enter a value, check it here. Enter a value. Okay now, I am entering value 30. Okay, press enter. It is showing 30. This 30 is integer or any type. This 30 is a string type. Check how to check, how to check which type of data type? By using type. Print type of this number. This number is a string. Very good. This number is a string type. Now check once. Control S, run. I am entering 40. Enter, press enter. Now check it. It is a string type, not integer type. How to convert to integer type? Tell me anyone. How to convert integer type? This is inbuilt taking the string type. How to convert integer type? By using simple int of converting That's it. If you use, yeah, type conversion. Yeah, here I'm using int of input, enter a value. Now it is the integer type. Now check, control S, run. I am entering value 400, press enter. Now check it. It is a integer type. By default, it is a taking a string type. Now I am converting, typecasting to string to integer type. Okay, now are you getting my point? Respond please. Are you getting or not? Respond please. Okay. Yeah. This is the taking runtime values. If you want to take a runtime values, first of all take a variable. After variable, we mention type a, okay, okay. You you take integer and take input of enter a value. After enter a, you can check by using type. It is the integer type. Check it here. Okay now. This is the input and output function. Input function is the input. Already we discussed. What is the print? Print is an output function. Okay. This is the output function. Input is a input function and print is the output function. So here okay. After okay ga. Next we discuss the print values. Okay. Input text to VS Code. Okay. Okay. If I want to take two values, how to take? Tell me. Example. This is the number one. Number one comma number two. Okay now. I'm taking here two variables. Okay, two values. I'm taking two values. How to take? By using split. Here I'm using dot split single quote comma. Okay. After I am printing number one comma number two. That's it. Control S. Here I am taking two values, number one and number two. Initially I am taking one value. Here I am taking two values by using split. Okay. First run the code. Here asking the values. First I am entering the 12. After entering the 12, I am entering the first number. After it is asking second number, separating with comma. Okay, separating with comma. After enter the number 2. Number 2 is a 35. Enter. Okay, it's showing 12 1 35. Print number 1 and number 2. Okay, are you getting? Here I am taking two values. If you want more than two, you will take. Here number 3. Similar, same. Number 3. Oh, sorry. Here you should take number 3. Number 3. Okay. Now control S, run the program. Here asking three values. Here first enter the number 1. What is the number 1? I am taking 13. Number 2 separating with comma because of I am split separating with comma. After number 2, what is the number 2? Entering, I am entering 45. Number 2. What is the number 3? Take number 3 is 66. Now enter. It's showing output is 13, 14, 45 and 66. Here I'm printing right, printing number 1, number 2, number 3. That's why it's showing here 13, 45, 66. Here I am taking multiple values by using split operator. Up to here, okay now? Any doubts? Please respond. By using split operator, we are taking multiple values in runtime. Respond please. Okay. Yeah, okay. 2, 3 members only responding. What about others? Total 41 members are there. Only 2, 3 members. Okay, no doubt. Very Likita responding, Swati responding. Okay. Yeah, okay. I will send. At the end of the class, I will send video. No, yeah, okay, Chaitanya. Okay. Amma, if you have any doubts, please ask me. Okay, na? Here I am taking multiple values by using split operators. Multiple values I am taking split. Okay, na? After we discuss, I will discuss the print. Wait, wait. Example print. I am taking hello. Okay, na? After I am taking print hi. I want these two lines in one line. What should I do? Now check here. Remove this. Control S. Here it's showing hello. Hello is the one line and hi is the one line. Another line. I want this hello and hi in same line. What should I do? By using AND operator, is getting same line, comma, and by using slash tab. That's it. Now check it. Both hello and hi in same line. How? By using slash t. Slash t means tab space. Tab space is nothing but a three spaces is nothing but a tab space. Okay now here three spaces. Slash t. If I use slash n means what is the output? Tell me anyone. What is the output if I use slash n? Slash n means new line, right? That's why hello is the one line and another line hi is print. Control is or check. Next then very good. Very good type. Check very good. That's it. Check here. Slash n is nothing but a new line amma. First it will be print hello. Now check the output also. First it I'm running again also. Here it will be printing hello. After slash n means new line. Okay. After new line it will be printing in hi. Okay na? These raw inputs are very easy split already discussed. This is the split. Already we discussed it, right? We taking multiple values. You know. Okay. By using split, We taking multiple values, separating with comma. Okay. Now after the most important concept is the operators. Total how many types of operators are there? First of all, tell me what is the operator. Okay. Here. Now here observe it. A equal to 10 and B equal to 20. Now A plus B. A plus B. Plus is the operator. Okay na? A is the operand. B is also operand. Two operands, only one operator. Okay na? A plus B is the 10 plus 20 is stored in the C. C variable I am storing 30. Okay na? A and B is the operands. Plus is the operator. Okay na? Here 10 plus 20 operands. In A there is a 10 will be stored and B it will be stored in the 20. The total sum is the total is 30. 30 is stored in C. C is the variable. Okay na? Here now check here also there. A, B, C are operands. Plus comma equal to operators. Okay, observe here also. Okay na? Here also I am taking input pin number, enter my are used to perform a operations on values and variables. That is nothing but operators. Most important among operators. Any interviews asking these questions. Okay. Now how many types of operators are there? First one is arithmetic operator. Another one is the relational operator. Okay. Another one is the assignment operator. Another one is the logical operator. Another one is bitwise operator. Now tell me in arithmetic operators how many types are there? Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic. Tell me anyone. Wait. Okay. Arithmetic operators. Okay. Plus, minus, division. Only single star or double star? Tell me. Modulus. Okay. Single only, na? Okay. Anyone? Okay. Okay. Anyone? Tell me how many types operators? Double also, sir. Ah, very good, Amma. Yeah. Vaishnavi responding, Swati responding. Flow division. Very good. Flow division is there. Yeah. Total how many types? First one is the plus addition. Okay, na? Addition. Next one, minus. Okay, na? After next one, multiplication. Simple multiplication. Multiplication. Next, division. Division. Next, floor division. Floor division. Next, modulus. Okay, na? These are the types of operator. First of all, addition, minus, and multiplication, division, and floor division, and modulus. One by one discuss just now. First of all, addition, right? Exponential. Another one is very good, very good. Exponential. Okay, first one is addition. Tell me any number a equal to some to this number taking 5, b equal to I'm taking it 2, print a plus b, a plus b. Now tell me what is the output here. Output is 7. Addition of two numbers. Here a, b. A is a operand, b is a operand. Plus is a operator. Two operands, one operator. Total sum is 7. Now same I am performing minus also. So a minus b. Okay, what is the output? Here performing minus operation. Now check here minus. Okay. Now same print. I'm taking a star b. Okay. Now control S. Now what is the output here? 5 into 2. There is a 10 is there. Next print after division on a b. Okay, tell me what is the output here? 2.5. Okay, now tell me anyone what is the floor division? What is the output here? Tell me anyone. A floor B. Okay, tell me anyone what is the output floor division? Very good. Who is the point values? Point values very good. Next, anyone? Output is 2 or 2.5? 2.5 or 2? What is the output? Tell me. 2 or 2.5? 2.5 or 2 or 2.5 or? Sure. 2 very good. Chaitanya. 2, 2, 2. All are 2. Okay, the output is 2. Okay, floor division is removing the after decimal points remove here. It will be returns only the numbers. Okay, point values in remove that is the floor division. Now check here. Control S. It returns only 2 because it remove the after point digits. Okay, now that is the floor division. Okay, all are 2 very good. Next print a modulus modulus of b. Now tell me what is the output here. Tell me anyone. What is the output? 1 now. I'm changing here. Remainder value very good. What is the value? 0. Very good. Yeah, 0. I'm changing. I'm already changed. Initially 5 is there. I'm changed to 10. Okay now. Please complete. Okay, okay. Thanks for responding. Next remaining operator is control S. Now tell me what is the output here. A double asterisk B. Asterisk asterisk B. A asterisk asterisk B. 200. Anyone? 100. 100 1 plus what is 200? Now 100. 100 is okay na. Power very good. These are the arithmetic operators. Okay na. Up to here, okay na. Any doubts? Arithmetic operators: plus, minus, division, floor division, modulus. It returns the remainder. Okay na. It returns the remainder. Yeah. Okay. It is the power, and it will be written the coefficient. It returns the coefficient. Okay. Floor division means it remove the after points. Only it will be generate the exact value. Any doubts up to here? Arithmetic operators. Operators are very very important in interview purpose also. No, which topic you want out? No doubts, right? Any doubt? Okay, after operators, arithmetic operators completed. Now relational operators or comparison operators. Both are same. Okay, relation operators or comparison operators. Okay, now yeah. Now tell me relation operators. I'm a comparison operator. Means equal to, greater than, equal to, less than or equal to. Uh, those are Swati. Greater than, less than. Those operators. How many types? Wait. Where it is notepad? Pad. Okay, dot. Equal to. Okay. Next, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to. Okay, na. Less than or equal to, not equal to, or these are all are nothing but a comparison or yeah, 6 types relational operators. Okay, na. Okay, I'm taking a equal to something. Some b is equal to 55. I'm taking c is equal to same number. Now tell me print a equal to b naught. What is the output here? Equal to control S. What is the output? Why error? Because equal to. True. Now check. A equal to b na. A equal to b. Condition is true or false? A equal to A is 20. B is A is 20. B is very good responding. False. Output is false. Check here. Output is false. Very good. Now tell me, print next operator is A is less than B na. What is output? Quickly tell me. False. Venkat false. False. Check here. Less than B. Condition true है का? చెక్ చేయనమ్మా. A is a 20, B is a 55. A is less than B. Condition is true. Here condition is true. Why confusing? Now tell me this one. C is C is greater than A. Now tell me, C is greater than A. Condition true or false? 20. C is a 20. A is a 20. Check, check. Ah, false, false. All are false. Very good, very good. Very good. False, false. Chaitanya, Neha, false. Very good. False. Okay, na? Same way, print, print tell me C greater than or equal to B. B, yeah. A. Now tell me, what is the output? True, Swati, true. Kranti, true. Devi, true. True. Sai, true. 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 Teja, true. Very good. Output is true. Now check here. Chaitanya, true. Output is true. Same way, tell me, print is less than or equal to B. Now tell me output. True, true. C 20 amma. B is 55. True, true, true. Pranati, true. Likita, true. Silence. Okay, true, right? Output is true. That's it. Okay, na? Next, what type of operator is there? Time is 24. Here, plus is discussed under addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, floor division. Divides the first operands by second floor. Next, modulus returns to remainder. And double asterisk means it is the power of the second. Now remaining one operator is there, right? Tell me this also. A not equal to B. Tell me response. What is the output? Neha true. Neha true. Anyone? True, true, true. Opposite amma, not means opposite. If it is a true means false. If it is a false means true. That is the opposite. True, true. Very good amma. True. Output is true. Thanks for responding. Yeah, okay na. Up to here, these are the comparison or relational operators. Okay, relational operator. Here, now check. Equal to true if both operands are equal. Both operands are equal. Now, greater than true if the left operand is greater than right. Okay, a greater than means after there is a less than. Less than means true if the left operand is less than right. Okay na? Here example. Same also greater than or equal to true if the left operand is greater than or equal to the right operand. Now same to the less than or equal to. Less than or equal to means true if left operand is less than or equal to right operand. Yes, here the example. Not equal to means true if the right operands are not equal to. That is nothing but a not equal. Here a not equal to b. Okay now. Now are you getting up to here? Any doubts? Tell me please respond. Up to here any doubts? Operands, operators. No. Neha Karan, no. Okay, thanks for responding. No. Okay, no doubts, sir. Swati, no doubts. Thanks for responding. Here today two types of operators we discuss. Tomorrow we will discuss remaining concepts. Remaining is logical operators are there. Remaining what are they? Logical and membership and assignment. One more also there. That is nothing but a membership operator. Okay na? Total this six type of operators are there. No doubt. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. I will send you. Sure, I will send. I will send PDF. Okay na? Yeah. Okay, okay. Tomorrow we will discuss remaining concepts, assignment and logical and bitwise operators. డౌట్స్ ఏమైనా ఉంటే ఉండండి అమ్మా లేకపోతే లెఫ్ట్ అవ్వండి. Hmm? Swati, what's your doubt? Name scope when we declared in outside, they are giving inside the function. Yeah, here we are using inside. Which program without tell me which program? Here I am using global scope variable inside the function. Here. Here sum is the global scope. Inside here global scope I am using inside the function. Global scope sum. That's why it is automatically updated. The value is 30. Here before here not mentioned, right? That's why it is not updating. If you mention the global scope sum means then only it will be updating. Here sum is 10, right? Sum is 10. Here mentioning I am global scope is 10. That's why it is updating 30. Global scope is sum. Here sum is 10. 10 plus 20. There is a total sum is 30. That's why it is updating here.